Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I bring you some tops updates. These updates have been paying people. I don't know if you go to the crypto space, for those who are on Binance or the CoinOS or any other website, crypto exchanges, and if you see the meme coins have been pulling weight, they have been going higher and higher and higher. And if you note, some examples of the meme coins are the PePe coins, Shiba Inu, the Floki, the meme, and so on. All these are the PePe meme coins, and they have been gaining weight. And what if I tell you that you can get these coins for free, and you can get the PePe coin for free just by playing a game, or by claiming it every hours, or claiming it every day? There is this mining app that is going on right now, and you can claim the PePe coins daily for free. And please, if this interests you the most, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video so that more people get to benefit also. Because this is not mere just advertising. I have been doing it and it have been working just by playing games on this app, and you start cashing out on the app. So if you interest you the most, I'll drop the link for this app in the description below. Once you just go there, you click on the link, and it take you here and feed in your informations and use my referral code. Once you add it there, that's all. So I just let me say you want to play a game in this app. Once you just go to the game area, let's say you want to play a game, just go to the area of the game. Once you tap on the area, let's say you tap on the game area, let's allow it to load up. Now you select the particular game you wish to play. It will always show that is another way they make their money. Don't distract the ad, allow the ad to go through, play, allow the ad to just play, just give it time, because that is another way they earn. They cannot give you something for free and they don't earn. Anybody that's not earning, watch that app. So this is how to play the game. You arrange the coins in this manner. So I'll be playing one of the game for you to see. So you just arrange the coin exactly as it is in that picture right now. So that is it. Once you just arrange it, I'll just be arranging some of the coins, and you see how to earn. Just arrange it. Once you arrange it, you have earned some coins for yourself. That's how you keep on doing it, and more coins and more and more and more coins will be coming. Just keep on arranging the games. This is not the only way. In case if you don't want to play games, you can also use other patterns like claiming it every day or the spin. Once you just get this in, I just got 21 PePe coins. Just hit on save. That's all. And once you get to 3,000 pieces of it, and it's very easy. Before 3 days, you have gotten 3,000 pieces of these PePe coins, and it will keep on showing ads. Getting 3,000 pieces, and you cash it out instantly. So that is it for that. Now maybe if in case you say you want to withdraw, when you want to withdraw, you're going that area where they wrote PePe phone set. Once you just tap on it, you will see where they wrote redeem. The area where this arrow is pointing at right now. Tap on the redeem. Then you add the main thing you do now, you add your Binance wallet address. You select a payment method. If it's through the Binance, if it's through Binance or Binance Pay, add your PePe Ethereum address. Just go on your Binance, copy your wallet address, paste it to that area there, and hit on continue. So but make sure that it is up to 3,000 PePe, and it's easy to get. In a day you can get up to let me say you can get up to 700 pieces of it. Very easy to get, and start cashing out. So please, if this video is helpful to you, please do well to subscribe, and I will be dropping the link for this in the description. Just go right now and grab it. Let's go and make money.